Hello, everyone. Welcome back to AI English Learning. Today, we're diving into a fascinating topic, the names and uses of the months. Did you know that the names of the months are not just random words? They carry cultural and historical significance. For instance, January marks the beginning of the new year, symbolizing new hopes and opportunities, right?
Yes. I've always felt that January has this vibe of a fresh start. You know, like every year, tons of people make New Year's resolutions and then usually they give up after a month. Haha. Why do you think that is?
Haha, that's such an interesting phenomenon. It actually relates to human psychology. Many people have high expectations for change, but sustaining motivation and building habits is key. It's like the cold weather in January makes you want to stay cozy at home instead of hitting the gym. Now, let's take a look at the 12 months. First up, January, February, March. Can you repeat after me?
Okay. January, February, March. Wait, these month names all start with capital letters, right? Is there a special reason for that?
Great question. This is part of grammar rules. In English, all month names need to be capitalized to make them stand out in a sentence. It's like when we write letters, the first letter has to be capitalized to look more formal and polite. Have you ever thought about why we do that?
I guess it makes it easier to recognize, right? Just like in an article, titles are usually in capital letters so readers can spot the main points at a glance. So how do we use these months in sentences?
Exactly. When talking about specific months, we use the preposition in. For example, I was born in May. That's a clear sentence. When mentioning specific dates, we use on. For instance, the party is on July 4th. This usage makes it very straightforward.
Oh, I get it now. So if I want to ask someone about their birthday, I could say, which month is your birthday in? Is that right?
Absolutely correct. And the answer could be, my birthday is in April. That makes for a natural conversation. Now, let's do some practice. I'll give you a sentence missing a month, and you guess the correct month.
Okay, this sounds fun. I'm ready.
All right, the first sentence is, Valentine's Day is on. What do you think the answer is?
I know Valentine's Day is in February, so the answer is Valentine's Day is in February, right?
Spot on, you're so clever. Next up is, Halloween is on 31st. Can you guess?
Halloween. I think it's in October, so the answer is Halloween is on October 31st. Is that correct?
Exactly. You're doing amazing. Before we wrap up, let's review some key points. 1. Month names start with a capital letter. 2. Use in with months and on with specific dates. 3. Practice asking and answering questions about months.
Wow, this has been so much fun. I feel like learning this not only helps me communicate more fluently in daily life, but also deepens my understanding of cultural backgrounds. Thank you for sharing today.
You're very welcome. Thank you all for tuning in. Don't forget to subscribe to our channel and keep learning with us. See you next time.